Why are humans obsessed with sex? Welcome to today's deep dive into human nature. Have you ever wondered why humans seem so obsessed with sex? Well, it's more than just biology. There are psychological, evolutionary, and cultural reasons behind this. Let's break it down. At the most basic level, sex is fundamental to human survival. Evolution has programmed us to seek out reproductive opportunities. The biological drive for sex is tied to our instincts, similar to hunger and thirst. It ensures the survival of the species. Our brains are wired to release feel-good chemicals like dopamine and oxytocin during sexual activity. These chemicals not only drive pleasure but also help form emotional bonds with others. In evolutionary terms, sex wasn't just about reproduction, it was also about building relationships that could ensure the survival of children. But beyond biology, there's the psychological aspect. The brain's reward system lights up when we think about sex. Studies have shown that humans have a natural tendency to seek pleasurable experiences, and sex is one of the most powerful rewards we have. This psychological drive makes sex more than just a physical act. It becomes tied to self-worth, connection, and even how we view ourselves in society. In fact, our fascination with sex is closely tied to how we experience intimacy, confidence, and validation. Now, let's talk about the cultural obsession with sex. Throughout history, societies have placed tremendous emphasis on sexuality, whether through art, literature, media, or advertising. It's everywhere. Sex sells, as the saying goes. Marketing and media capitalize on human attraction to sex to sell products, build brands, and shape ideals of beauty. This constant exposure feeds into our collective obsession. Sex is also tied to identity. In modern society, sexuality can define how we see ourselves and how we interact with others. Social norms around attractiveness, desirability, and even relationship status can create pressure to be sexually active or sexually appealing. Platforms like Instagram or dating apps often emphasize physical attraction, reinforcing sexual obsession as part of identity and self-expression. This can create a feedback loop, where people continuously seek external validation, often through sex appeal. So, why are humans obsessed with sex? It's a complex mix of biological necessity, psychological reward, and cultural reinforcement. At its core, sex isn't just about reproduction, it's about connection, pleasure, identity, and even survival. But remember, while sex is an important part of life, it's just one aspect of who we are as humans. It's fascinating, powerful, and essential, but it's also deeply intertwined with everything that makes us human. Thanks for watching. If you found this video insightful, make sure to hit like, subscribe, and comment below with your thoughts on why you think humans are so fascinated by sex. Until next time, stay curious.